Got a real long day ahead of me. I have 2 fiber runs to knock out in Cape Girardeau, Missouri. Both of them are going to be about 1,000 foot long. I'm going to get some fuel, get some ice for the cooler, and then we'll hit the road. But first and foremost, you know what time it is. Yeah, baby. These dollar coins always make me feel like I'm a pirate with some gold doubloons. Just saying. Just crossed into Missouri and cracked open monster number 2. Let's get it. Out here at job 1, I'm gonna be running fiber for that TPC suite in this shopping center. And the D mark is all the way down here on this end. I've got the fiber set up here at the D mark. My plan of attack is gonna be to actually run this fiber on the roof line instead of having over 700 feet worth of fiber tacked onto the side of this building. It's gonna be a lot cleaner if I just run it up to the roof, run it down to the suite that I need it, and then just pop it through on the back side of the suite. Let me go ahead and get my ladder set up and get to work. I went ahead and drilled our hole in the back wall of the suite here and got some glow rods fed out. Got the fiber taped on. Now time to head inside and get it pulled to their data room. Got it spliced in at the nid, all nice and neat. Now time to hop in the truck, grab some lunch, and hit job 2. Made it to job 2, which is actually right across the street from job 1. We have the nid for this building, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do the same plan of attack, just come up the building and go across the roof, because the D mark for this suite is all the way on the other side of this strip. So let me go ahead and get the spool set up, throw my ladder on the building, and let's knock it out. Here's where I fed the fiber down in their O&T. Let's go take a look. There's the O&T that we're shooting for. So the plan is to have the fiber just run down this beam, and I'm gonna pop a hole to outside right here to get it into the building. Got the fiber terminated to that faceplate. Now time to head outside and finish it out. Got the fiber coming down, hiding behind that conduit, and then just following their existing cable path to get over to our new NID. And I have it terminated, ready for them to plug in. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to test this one. I told the business owner that I was gonna need to get back in there to test it once I was done outside. And I don't know if he just misunderstood me, misheard me, but when I went to go back inside after getting it finished up in the NID, the door was locked, all the lights were off, and nobody was in there. Luckily, I didn't leave any tools inside, so it's not a huge deal. If they have any issues with that line, I'll come back, but I really doubt they're gonna have any issues at all. Now it's time to load up the truck, grab some dinner, and hit the road home. Why does it seem like after long days, I always hit a standstill on the interstate? Crazy.